got the smoked duck sandwich over here.
What are we making?
Our house buns. We got our flour, salt, starter. We've had for 8 years now.
When that starter smells like an old bar, you know you're doing it right.
Some bloomed yeast. We'll let it mix. After it proofs overnight, we're gonna shape them, proof them again, and bake them. So now we're gonna season our duck breasts, coriander seeds here, garlic powder, dill seeds, salt and pepper, summer savory, juniper berries.
Dry rub this, vacuum seal it. How long is it gonna sit with the dry rub?
10 days.
Time to sear.
Fat side down, and then we'll let it render.
And then onto the smoker.
180. We're gonna use cherry wood and maple.
What's the next step?
So we're making the bacon.
Of course, you're gonna make your own bacon.
Add a little bit of garlic powder, salt, black pepper, long pepper, brown sugar.
That little amount of seasoning?
That's it. This is gonna go as well for 10 days. Throw it on the smoker for 10 hours.
Everything is done on this little smoker?
Yes.
I have to call my boys from Camp Chef and get you a bigger one. Next up?
Bacon cabbage slaw. Have the butter right now in the pan with the onions. So we're gonna cut that belly into little cubes. Get through that skin. Too tough to eat.
Once that kind of renders down, you glaze it with the white wine.
We put the rest of the butter and the cabbage, and it's just gonna give it that rich taste.
Duck breast is done.
Slice as thin as possible, warm it all up. That same spice mix that we rubbed it with. We take our homemade bread, slice it in half. I didn't cut my hand. Homemade mayo.
Oh, we had to make the mayo also.
It's got lots of garlic, almost an aioli. Throw that on there. Top it off with the cabbage slaw, and we stab it with our knife. People want to cut it in half.
You gotta be kidding me. Brother, I'm gonna be honest with you. That changes the world of duck. The seasoning's awesome, the searing and the smoking, the thin slicing and just the quick reheat. It's outstanding. I mean, like, shut the front door, the back door, the side door, and all the windows.